Thank you so much for joining me. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. In a spin, I'm keeping an eye on it. We talked about this together yesterday. It's this here, again, old fronts. That's what we watch this time of year. Now, we're very close to hurricane season. It starts June 1st. We start to get some waves off the coast of Africa, but those don't develop early in the season. It's stuff around the Gulf of Mexico, the western Atlantic, even sometimes the central and north Atlantic, just with old fronts, and back through the Caribbean. So watching this area, I don't think it's going to develop tropically, but kind of some signs that there's a little uptick in what's going on. And with that, some spots are going to get additional rain because of this. So watch it with me. I have a wide view here just to set it. Trinidad and Tobago here. Here's Puerto Rico, U.S. British Virgin Islands, Montserrat. Here's the old front. This is this afternoon, my friends in the Bahamas. I've been watching us over toward Freeport, Nassau, with, again, this moisture because it is going to be close by. So a little spin developing at the tail end of the front today. That means closer to this old front, that's where we have a better chance of rain. Eastern Cuba, parts of Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos, not a washout, but again, a better chance of rain. Also, an uptick in some of the rain, as expected. Guyana and Suriname, we've been talking about this over the last several days, and some of that trying to feed into Trinidad and Tobago today. May even catch a few showers, St. Vincent and the Grenadines over toward Grenada. All right, going out in time, exactly what I'm talking about. This is by tomorrow afternoon. You see more of a blob of rain here, so especially the southern Bahamas, a better chance of rain, very close to the central Bahamas. Most of it stays, though, just to the northeast. With that, still close to this area, better chance of rain in here, not as much. My friends in Nicaragua, over toward Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Belize, rain chance overall going down. Panama, I'll talk about our forecast in just a second. Costa Rica, mainly dry tomorrow, but another front back to the north, that is going to draw in some moisture. And again, we don't get fronts sweeping through the Caribbean this time of year, but some get close by, and I watch some of the leftover moisture. So another front here. So watching two areas. Now, watch what happens as we go out in time. Look at that area there flaring up. So is this one. This is by the time we get into late on Friday. It still looks like most of the moisture over here. If it does try to spin up further, I'll be watching it. I'll let you know, but it should stay mainly here. So again, to the east of the Bahamas for the most part, but central southern Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, parts of Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, British Virgin Islands, U.S. Virgin Islands, a better chance of some spotty showers. And still more active, my friends over toward Trinidad, rain chance, as I mentioned, I'll get into the forecast in just a second for us, is higher, Guyana and Suriname. And then watching this, I'll keep an eye on this through the weekend because just like this area, this will scrape by and I'll see if anything is going to try to spin up along these fronts going forward. We're just about 6 weeks away or so to the start of the hurricane season. Sometimes you get development with old fronts. So 2-day rain totals where we get some repeat showers in Haiti. So it's going to be on the north side. So Jacmel, for example, passing shower, but more Port-au-Prince north. And again, Dominican Republic, same thing. North side, better chance of rain. Eastern sections of Cuba. The next couple days, we could get some spots, some of these brighter colors of 75 millimeters of rain or 3 inches of rain. Belize, we're drying out. Small chance of a shower now, for example. And again, watching elsewhere, not as much in the Western Caribbean, northern sections, but also watching over toward Trinidad, where some spots could get 25 millimeters of rain over the next couple days. Higher totals, Guyana and Suriname, Guadeloupe, Dominica, Martinique. Passing shower will be possible, easterly flow kind of stuff. So let me get into some forecasts. Jamaica, the elevated chance of rain. This isn't all day stuff, but I've been reading your comments. We've been getting those scattered showers and storms, and it stays relatively on the active side the next few days with that rain chance at 50 to 60%. Panama, the rain chance is pretty low. It's not out of the question. Caribbean side, a better chance of rain versus the Pacific side. So Panama City, the rain chance is a little bit lower. You go more to the north, that's where we have a better chance of rain across Panama. But again, it's passing shower variety. St. Kitts and Nevis, same thing, 20-30% chance of a shower scooting by for today. And as we go over the next couple days, same thing, St. Lucia. But the rain chance goes up a touch. Basically, St. Lucia, Barbados, south, I mentioned over toward Trinidad and Tobago, the rain chance is going a little higher. So again, watching things getting more active. And one thing I'm watching out for early in the hurricane season last year, even before the season, we had that extreme southern storm track. Things got very active near Guyana, Trinidad and Tobago, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and Grenada. And we had a lot in the way of rain and flooding rain. So I'm seeing if that's going to be a trend. I'll be watching that. With that said, 40-50% chance of scattered showers. Please keep me posted over toward Trinidad where we've had those wildfires. Guyana, that rain chance even higher, upwards of 60-70% chance tomorrow in through Friday. And it's going to stay active through the weekend, including my friends in Suriname. So monitoring that spin very close to the Bahamas, generally to the south of Bermuda. It'll be more active in our northern zones closer to those old fronts, but also watching some showers for Guyana and Suriname spilling over into Trinidad and Tobago over the next few days. And the rain chance gets even higher for Trinidad, for example, on Sunday. We're going to see a better chance of showers, not a washout, but that rain chance is going up. Now, I was mentioning earthquakes and that hole out there in the ocean. For more on that, if you didn't catch that yesterday, I'll put the link in the comments. I'll pin it to the top. Earth QC on YouTube. I have the tsunami information, the earthquake potential out of what was a new finding in the Pacific Ocean with a hole that opened up. So I'm going over the earthquake and tsunami information on that over on Earth QC. Do my best to keep you covered in a multitude of ways. Thank you for being part of this channel. Hope you have a great day ahead.